We're gathered here today, both in person and electronically, because of an environmental calamity that happened more than 50 years ago. It was a problem of mercury pollution in the English Wabigoon River system in northwestern Ontario, a place where the indigenous Ojibwe people lived. Anastasia Shkilnick had been studying that problem for some years and was writing her doctoral thesis for the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Anastasia and I met a few months later, and because I had been working in the field of environmental matters and water pollution in particular, Anastasia asked me if I would review her thesis in general and that part of it that dealt with the mercury pollution. I did, and after a few more years, that thesis became a book, A Poison Stronger Than Love. And in fact, Anastasia and I discovered that we had a lot more in common than the environment. We married, and over the next 3 decades, the concept of an award for moral leadership in Ukraine emerged, the Light of Justice Award. Anastasia and I always hoped that someday there might be an award for moral leadership in the field of environment, and that day has arrived. Now, 37 years later, we have a Light of Justice Award for Ukrainian leadership in the environmental field. And here's Anastasia's book, A Poison Stronger Than Love, in which you'll find the chapter on mercury pollution. It's with great pleasure that I offer my congratulations and a copy of this book to each of this year's winners. We have been blessed with a beautiful world, a beautiful environment. Unfortunately, in many cases, that environment has been wasted, and wasted by design, by human activities. There is much work to be done, and you, the winners of this year's Light of Justice Award for work in the environmental field, have already begun to do that work. I pray that you will continue that work for the rest of your life. Thank you, congratulations, and courage to carry on.